Good day, learners, and in this video we're going to talk about multiplying polynomials. This is part 2 of our 3-part series on multiplying polynomials, and this time we will focus on multiplying binomial by a binomial. There are certain skills that you need to master in order to be successful at multiplying polynomials. You should be able to add and subtract monomials, and you should be able to multiply monomials. Now, if you're not yet sure on how to do these things, don't worry, I've already made a separate video for each of these topics, and you can find the link for these videos in the description below. Example number 1, x plus 3 times x plus 2. We will multiply these two binomials using a method called the FOIL method. It's right here. FOIL. FOIL method, F stands for the first, O stands for the outer, I stands for the inner, and then L stands for the last. So let's start with F. We will multiply the first terms. So it's gonna be x times x. X times x is x squared. And then next would be O, or outer. So we will multiply x and positive 2. X times positive 2 is positive 2x. Next, I means inner. So it's gonna be 3 and x. 3 times x will be positive 3x. And then L means last. It's gonna be 3 and 2. 3 times 2 is positive 6. Next thing we're gonna do is we will combine like terms. In this case, our like terms are 2x and 3x. We know that they are like terms because they have the same variable, x, so we can add them. To continue, just copy x squared, and then we will add 2x plus 3x. So that's gonna be positive 5x. And then we just copy positive 6. So the answer will be x squared plus 5x plus 6. Example number 2, x minus 4 times x minus 5. So to do this, we will just follow the FOIL method. Remember, F means first, so we will multiply the first terms, x times x. It's gonna be x squared. O means outer, so we will multiply the outer terms. It's gonna be x times negative 5. So we need to be careful now with our signs. This will be taken as negative 5. So again, x times negative 5 will be negative 5x. Next, we will multiply our inner terms. It's going to be negative 4 times x. So take note, this will be taken now as negative 4. So negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And then next will be L. L means the last term, so we will multiply negative 4 and negative 5. Take note, negative times a negative is a positive. So negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. So next thing we're going to do is we will combine like terms. In this case, it's going to be negative 5x minus 4x. So what are we going to do? First, we will copy x squared. Now, look at this. We have negative 5x minus 4x. Remember that subtracting a monomial is just the same as adding its opposite. So, negative 5x minus 4x can also be written as negative 5x plus the opposite of 4x will be negative 4x. And you put it in a parenthesis. Then just copy plus 20. So now we will add negative 5x plus negative 4x. X squared Negative 5x plus negative 4x is negative 9x. Then just copy plus 20. This will be our answer. Example number 3. X plus 6 times x minus 2. To answer this, again, we will just follow the FOIL method, where f means the first terms. So we multiply x times x. It's gonna be x squared. Next is O. So we will multiply the outer terms. It's gonna be x times negative 2, which is negative 2x. Next, multiply the inner terms. We have positive 6 times x. It's gonna be positive 6x. And then L will be the last terms. So we will multiply 6 times negative 2. Remember, a positive times a negative is a negative. So positive 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. Next thing we're gonna do is we will combine like terms. We will combine negative 2x plus 6x. Just copy x squared, and then negative 2x plus 6x will be positive 4x, and then just copy negative 12. So our answer will be x squared plus 4x minus 12. Example number 4. 2x plus 3 times x plus 5. To answer this, we will just follow the FOIL method, where f means the first terms. So we will multiply 2x and x. 2x times x will be 2x squared. 2x squared. And then O means outer. So we will multiply the outer terms, 2x times positive 5. It's positive 10x. I means inner, so we will multiply the inner terms, positive 3 times x, that's positive 3x. And then L means last terms, so we will multiply 3 times 5, and that's positive 15. So next thing we're gonna do is we will combine similar terms. It's gonna be 10x and 3x. So 2x squared, and then 10x plus 3x is positive 13x. And then just copy plus 15. So the final answer is going to be 2x squared plus 13x plus 15. Example number 5. 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 1. To answer this, we will just follow the FOIL method, where f means the first terms. So we will multiply the first terms, 3x and 2x, and that is 6x squared. O means outer terms, so we will multiply 3x times 1, and that's positive 3x. I means the inner terms, so we will multiply negative 4 times 2x, and remember, negative times a positive is a negative. So negative 4 times positive 2x is negative 8x. And then L means last terms, so we will multiply negative 4 times positive 1, which is negative 4. So now we will combine like terms, 3x minus 8x. Copy first 6x squared. So now we have 3x minus 8x. Remember, subtracting a monomial is just the same as adding its opposite. So 3x minus 8x can be written as 3x plus the opposite of 8x will be negative 8x, and then we put it in a parenthesis. Then just copy minus 4. So now we will just add these two terms. Copy first 6x squared, and then 3x plus negative 8x is negative 5x, and then just copy minus 4. So the answer is 6x squared minus 5x minus 4. For our last example, we will multiply 2x minus 3 and 4x minus 5. To multiply these two binomials, again we will just follow the FOIL method, where f means the first terms. So multiply 2x and 4x, and that is 8x squared. Next, O means outer terms, so we will multiply 2x times negative 5, and that would be negative 10x. Next, I would be inner, so we will multiply negative 3 and 4x. Negative 3 times 4x will be negative 12x. And then L means last. We will multiply negative 3 and negative 5. Remember, negative times a negative is a positive, so negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15. So now we will combine these like terms. Copy 8x squared. So now we have negative 10x minus 12x. And remember, subtracting a monomial is just the same as adding its opposite. So negative 10x minus 12x can also be written as negative 10x plus the opposite of 12x will be negative 12x, and then you put it in the parentheses, and then just copy plus 15. So now we will just add these two terms. 8x squared negative 10x plus negative 12x, that is equal to negative 22x, and then just copy plus 15. This is gonna be our answer. Alright, so for your activity, we have here 5 items for you to work on. So feel free to play again the video from the beginning so that you will have a good idea on how to answer this activity. So that's it for this lesson, and on our next video we will talk about multiplying polynomials part 3, and we will be focusing on multiplying binomial by a multinomial. If you find this video helpful, do me a favor, kindly click subscribe and also like and share the video so that we will be able to reach as many learners as possible. Also, do not forget to click the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever we will add a new lesson to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you all soon on our next video.